What's up, everyone? My name is T from Assembly Hub. Today we're going to be installing or anchoring a cantilever umbrella onto this concrete pad without the base. There's not so many videos out there that are explaining this, so I'm just doing this to help you guys with your install. The client wanted the rotating thing still on there, so we took off that and we're going to anchor it to the 4 sections right there. If you like this video or you like the information, please subscribe. Please hit that bell. Watch all our little videos previously and more to come. Thank you. Any questions? If you ever need help with anything, give me a call. We're located in the Fresno California area, and I will be anchoring right now. Got my anchoring thing, and it's like, I don't know what's the matter with it. Do this first one. Looks about even. Yeah. One. I use Tapcons. So Tapcon, this is 1.5 inches, 1 3/4 inches. The weight on it is 350 pounds each anchor with the washer. That's down. Here's the back side. Another Tapcon, 350 pounds. Nice and sturdy, it's not going anywhere. Make sure I still got my power. We got a D-Watt, hammer, drill. Uh-oh. Took out my little magnet. Here we go, another one. Now the washers move. That means it's tight. Alright, so we're looking at how to set this thing up. So you have this base, the 3 strips. This thing right here, it's right there. This is D. It's facing that way like that. And the checklist, we have all that. I bolted that to the ground. Go over here. Da. Gives you all that crap. What we're trying to get right here, this is where we need to be at right there. Over here it says in the instructions to put this on. Use black. Slide this on. You slide this over it. Like this. Side with the holes. Match these bolts up real fast. And start one. Start another. these screws in. You got this space right here with this thing goes over it like that. Into the holes in the front, matching these holes here. Put it in there. You take these little black with the washer nut and start them inside the pre-drill holes. As you see, I anchored it down to the concrete. It's really, really sturdy. And so now I got my bit. I'm going to go ahead and drive it in. Turn down my settings. That's done. This is in place. I'm gonna go grab my umbrella. I gotta put my cap over too right now, real quick. I have these things here. The cap just goes inside, in there like that. In that, the back side also to the back. Slide it on. Come up this way, take this off. Slide this on. Underneath it. There you go, it's all covered up. Nice and neat. Next is I'm gonna go get this umbrella. So here's your umbrella right here. You want this back control to the back. And then lift it on. And if you're not strong enough, get some help. Oh, excuse me. So now this is in place. I got my screw, little tightener bob. I'm gonna lift this up. I'm gonna put this regular one at the bottom. I'm gonna put this wheel-like thing here, tighten it, tie it, and hit this thing. So it turns. Everything looks good. Oh no, probably should have took this off first. Pretty sturdy, what do you say? Not too bad. Have a few more things to put on. So next is just put this gear in right here. Some little ball. Cut this off here. Be careful, use some scissors preferably. Still gotta watch out for the back wall though. Action locks. Gotta rotate it back. Watch out for the back wall. Press as wide as it open. And then shut it back down. Strap back on. Voila. Call me if you need help. Purple leaf cantilever. I don't even know if I'm saying it right. I think I am. Purple leaf cantilever. Nice addition to your backyard. Call T at assemblyhub.us.